So in India, Macbook Pro 14-inch unboxing. Here are the specs: 16 GB memory, 512 GB SSD, 14-inch MacBook. It is the base model, 8-core CPU and 14-core GPU. So let's get started. Oh, here it is. Okay. Okay. So let's open this and let's see what's inside. And we have space gray MacBook. Then we have the cable. So let's open the cable as well. It is braided cable, so it will not break. Good to know that. So let's open it. Here is a lock. Okay, open. Quite a few locks. Okay. Quite long cable. And here is okay, two black stickers. MacBook manual and stuff. What is inside here? So it is 65-watt charger which came with MacBook. Okay, let's place this inside again and let's open our MacBook. It is quite cold. Wow. So let's open it. First time setup. Nice. So we have our mouse and it will set it up. Namaste. Hola. Hello.
Bonjour.
Now? Know any of this?
Sa. Cha.
Know this? Know this?
It's Korean. I know that much. And this is Japanese. This is Urdu.
Hola.
I no longer know anything.
Hey.
Hedge.
Hey. Musical.
Rusky. Just calm down and switch on, please.
Is there anything we can do right now?
No, you can just move the mouse.
Only that? Oh, so it takes quite a bit of time. It doesn't know I am in India. Only hello and namaste would have worked. So every language. It's like a video, I guess.
A long video.
It is quite cold.
Yes.
And room is quite warm. So I don't know how can this be so cold inside this.
It's currently around 27 degrees
But
Celsius.
it is
But
cold like-
this is like no,
cold like
I'm
ice.
like 15 degrees Celsius. No, 10 degrees. More like.
Cold like ice.
I'm stopping the unboxing video now.
Okay.